Hello, brothers who came in, the laptops you brought. The buttons sometimes don't work. You see, there's something inside. Take a picture, wipe the interface, and clear the dust. Get ready a screwdriver that can be disassembled. You can see from above. There's a floating clip on the laptop. Remove it, press it in, and pry it open one by one. Now we have opened it. Be careful not to damage the cable below. This black piece can be opened upwards with our fingernails. Never use a screwdriver to prevent short circuits. You know, in case you forget to unplug the power and short circuits occur, you'll be in trouble. After pressing and opening it, after turning it over, you can pull it out like this. Just pull out like this. After it comes out, you see, oh, this place really has poor contact. Use the dust to clear it. Just use a screwdriver to suppress it and pry it open with a screwdriver. Everything inside is fine. Clean it and prepare alcohol to wipe the cable. Just apply a little alcohol. Be sure to use alcohol to wipe it. Never use water because water is conductive. Alcohol will dry immediately and can also clean dirt. After we wipe it, let it dry a little. If it gets dirty, you can use a dry paper towel to absorb the surface. Then we can put it back as it is. At the same time, get some alcohol to wipe the base. Use a bristle brush to brush it with oil. After it dries for a while, we take the cable and push it into place. Then the white line is in a straight line outside, and then press it down. After it comes down, we buckle the keyboard down and see that there's an ankle on it. Lift that side a little and buckle it down. Press it in once, and it's solved. If you like it, double-click to support it.